So it was test day with Leroy. He's now, what are you, a master chef at trucking now?
No, not there yet. Not there yet. Will be though. Will be though.
How was your test today, bro?
Smooth. Knowledgeable. Everything that this man said happened. Real life. Focus and do it.
Yeah, and we had fun. Like, hey, he told me, I asked him, I said, hey, what'd you used to do? He said, I was a chef, a big time chef. I said, what
not
happened?
big time, but there. Yeah.
What happened when you didn't listen to the chef? He said,
pack your house and go home right now.
Pack it up and go home.
Yeah.
So, like, I was all like, okay, I got to go to Amazon, find me a chef. Because we're having hills trucking around here. So, like, I went and got me a chef hat. Man, I came to the truck when he wasn't listening. I took my hat off. I said, put that in the truck. I said, give me that red cloth right there.
Yeah. Real
so
talk.
I popped that hat on, and he busted out laughing. What'd you think when I put that hat on?
French style, baby. We.
I didn't know how to wear it because I had it like this. He said, that ain't how you wear it. You got to pick it up, pull it back, and then over to the side.
Right.
So it looks good on me, though.
Yeah,
but somebody said that it looked like, when I was driving the truck with it, they said, man, I thought you were wearing a turban in there. I was like, no, bro, that's my chef hat. Well, we had a lot of fun. He's now in the purple card gang.
I like your boy.
Purple card gang.
Yeah.
So yeah, he did great out there. We tried to do it without the points. We were not catching on to it fast enough, and we decided to use the point system.
Patience.
Follow the steps.
Yeah.
And I taught him how to move each part of the truck and trailer. That's the key in the points, is what I feel like. I feel that you need to learn how to move the back of the trailer, the front of the trailer, and the truck. Yeah. And we learned that, so he knows how to maneuver this truck. So if there was any problems out there, you knew how to fix it, right?
Yeah. No problem. Smooth. I had him in my head. Get behind it. Turn. Or react. Do the opposite. If your back is going left, go right. So, yeah, his repetition of talking, but to me, is in here. Yeah, won't go nowhere.
So from a head chef standards, how's the food been around here? At the Millennium and stuff like that.
Better than campus, but I didn't say that out loud. But yeah.
And so he goes over there. I bet you're eyeing that food like, that's not up to temperature. Oh, that should be seasoned on both sides.
I did do that last night. I got a medium, but an MR. Yeah. And I was like, get it off the grill, just take it off the grill. And when I got home, I was like, freaking medium well.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Hey, he's the one that told me about the steaks. So I was talking about him in another video.
Yeah.
Live. How do you season it? How do you do your steaks, man?
Marinated, a great season.
How you put it on the grill?
Cross hatchet, and then boom. Yeah, man.
And then flip it over and
flip that bad boy over. Flip it up. If you don't hear that, it ain't no cross hatchet marks.
Yeah.
If you don't know what those are the cross hatchet marks that you see on steaks.
That's how you put that, like, I don't know what it's called, like the
caramelization.
Yeah, you put that on the steaks. Like when I cook steaks, man, I have to get that grill hot. So I do one side and then I throw it to the side and I let it get red hot again. Not red hot, but I let it get real hot again.
That's right.
And then I put that steak on there.
Keep it going.
And that's where you get your flavor from, I believe.
Oh, no, well said.
I'm not a chef, but
but well said. Yes.
Yeah. And how was the facilities? You like?
Oh my God, dude! I recommend this place. I'm not knocking nobody else, but on point. Robert, putting money in, and it is showing. Laundry, food, the pad, humongous. I mean, nice. The pad, the pool, the movie theater. No. But the billiards, the movie theater, doctors, DOT doctors.
You been hustling some people on some pool?
No, not yet. Don't blow me up yet.
Oh, okay. You don't know how to play.
I mean, gym, a 24-hour gym, basketball court. I mean, for what it's worth, the man's putting in the money, and you can see it. Yeah.
The people been treating you good around here?
Word, mad friends, mad connects, shout outs, Nate, David, Justin, Tim, Sean, Thomas, Joseph, shout outs, shout out. You get you a good trainer. Justin, Tim, Sean, Thomas, great guys, knowledgeable. For my guys, flexing on them. Nate, I'm flexing on you. David, I'm flexing on you. But yeah, man, Prime, real talk.
Good company, right?
Sure,
Good
yo,
company.
This guy, yeah, man.
Well, we had a lot of fun. We had good times, like making them laugh with the chef hat. I busted it out for the trifecta picture. I was like, psh.
Yeah, man, yeah,
chef out here
for sure.
But we had a lot of fun, and we found out, like, I do things different. Like the day before the test, I go ahead and I tell my guys straight up, hey, I'm gonna meet you tomorrow morning. We're gonna do the real
6 a.m.
real deal. Like I'm
6
testing you, like I'm your examiner.
In the rain.
I don't come in as your friend. I'm not like, hey, how you doing? I just get straight to it.
He ain't lying.
Pre-trip, backing.
That's right.
Road,
alley.
And the reason I do that is, hey, we want to know if you can pass all the maneuvers, not just 3 of them. If you can pass all 6 of them on the day before your test,
real life
test day, you're gonna blow out 3 of them
easily.
And what I also use it for is to see how you're gonna react, how nervous you're gonna be.
Yes.
And we found out real quick that Leroy was a little bit nervous. We'll say a little bit, or was it a lot? yeah. So we found out that he was nervous. He was like really stuttering during the pre-trip.
Oh my gosh, bruh! Come on, bruh!
And then the backing was he was so
horrific.
Yeah, the one parallel that he did good, man. He was so excited. I was all like, bro, we're running out of time while you're standing out here talking. And he ran up in there and he didn't even shut the door. He didn't even get all the way in. He
honk the horn. Yeah, done. You're done.
Over the line.
Yeah.
10 points.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Hey, we learned. Hey, calm it down.
We learned today, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. And the other parallel we messed that one up too. We timed out on that one. And then the alley dock, we forgot everything about it, like everything. But it's a good thing we did that because we got right back on point. After I said, hey, it's not a test no more, man. Just do that one again. What happened?
Easy money.
Just slammed it in there.
Cake, baby.
Then I said, do the alley dock again. Bam.
Boom. Ice cream. Smooth.
But it was the stress of like how I came in there. Like, hey, it's a test. We're not friends right now.
Ain't got the truth. That's right. Yeah.
And then on the drive even, I was all like, turn here. Turn there. I didn't say nothing else, really. I was all like, that's a point.
Yep.
And that made him more nervous. That's a point. That's more nervous. Hey, that was wrong. More nervous. So like, and he drives real good. Like it was rough at the start.
Oh my god.
It was real rough at the start. Curb killer. Not no more though, right? Nah. We watched those mirrors like a champ. So we had a blast though. We had a real good time. Like cooking stuff. I'm all like, those 3 pieces of garlic out there. I'm all like, you seared the steak on one side. That tire went over the line. That seared that side. We need to sear the other side so we can get it all the way in there in the parallel on the white line. So like one time he put one side of there in there, but the back of the trailer wasn't in there. I said, check both mirrors, man. You only seared one side of your steak. And
I needed work. I needed work, and Daniel was very patient and taught me different ways to make me successful, and I recommend them, man. The other guys too. Yeah, man.
And then whenever he finally finished his maneuver, like got it in there, we would look at how good it is, and I'd be like calling him Major D, come get this plate.
Let's go.
Serve it. Now if it was a real ugly one and it was in there though,
replate,
I would be like, well, we can serve this one. He was all like, it's not the best, and I'm all like, bro, we got some hood people in the back of the restaurant. They don't know $1,000 steak.
They gonna learn today.
Send it to their table.
They gonna learn today. Right?
He wanted to make sure that it's perfection.
Only right.
Bon appetit. There you go.
Sure.
But we had a real good time.
Yeah, man.
The facilities are nice. The rooms at the campus and
stuff. Nice. Yeah, no complaints, man. Robert is really doing it nice out here. He makes you want to do it. And you'll see him playing ball on the court. Yeah, just gradually.
I'm not good. Robert Lowe on the court.
Yeah, man. But yeah, man. The place is nice. I recommend it. All jokes aside, the place is nice, man. Yeah, man.
But we're gonna get out of here. Like, comment, and subscribe, and wish Mr. Leroy best of luck out there, safety, and hey, congratulations on that purple card gang.
Thank you.
Over here. So
thank you.
Start dropping those hashtags, purple card gang. That way we can start getting if somebody searches purple card or something, boom, we start seeing all these purple gang members, purple card gang members over here.
That's right.
On some reels.
Yeah. Nate, David, Joseph, I see y'all on the road. Shout outs Tim, Justin, Sean, Thomas.
Tim Taylor, Justin, y'all know Justin from my videos. It's hard to say his last name. Humiston, and Prime Time Fits for Sean, and we got Tennessee Dragon Flatbed for Thomas. Those guys, and then we have My Trucking Venture. He also helped out Leroy a lot.
Yeah. So,
that's just some of the people that crossed this path and helped them out. But definitely subscribe to the channel.
Do that.
Keep watching the videos. I got great videos on there that will help you out.
Yes.
Look in the description on how to contact me. Maybe I can train you.
Look at those videos. Yo, look at those videos.
We're out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Ring the bell. Get my latest lives. Get my newest videos. Also, in the description, there's a link to fill out an application and get my recruiter. My recruiter's good. Don't forget to drop that referral code, COXDJO. Also, my phone number is 417-894-8098. Drop me a call, text me, something.